Today we will be talking about logical operators and the ternary operator. So logical operators combine conditions like and, or, not. Example, if age greater than 18 and has license. And the ternary operator provides a shorthand for simple if-else result. X greater than y, then x, else y. I will teach you this through a program I have written for all of you. So this is a program in which we will input two numbers and then we will perform a logical AND operation, logical OR operation, logical NOT operation, and also ternary operator. So let me just tell you, this is the syntax. Simply in AND we use two and percent signs and then we do AND operation. So in AND operation, if both the values are true, the result will be true, otherwise it will be false. And in OR, only if one value is true or even one value is true, the result will be true. And logical NOT, it just reverses the value. If it is true, it will make it false, and if it is false, it will make it true. So if A is greater than 0 and B is greater than 0, then we will print both A and B are positive. Else, at least one of A or B is not positive. That's why. So you understand, if A is greater than 0, it is a true condition, and also B is greater than 0, it is a true condition, then this will return true, and this, both A and B are positive. Even if A is not greater than 0, it will be false and true returns false, so at least one of A or B is not positive. And same with logical OR, A greater than 0 or B greater than 0. So even at least one of A or B is positive. And if both are false, neither A or B is positive. So this is how logical OR works. Even if one condition is true, it will work. Now we will be talking about logical NOT. So logical NOT only does one thing, it reverses the value. If it is true, it will make it false, and if it is false, it will make it true. So if not A equals to B, it means we are asking A is not equals to B, then we will print A is not equal to B. But otherwise A equals to B is true, then it will print A is equal to B. So this is simple, we just add not in front and it just reverses the value. And here is ternary operator. So these are the ternary operator examples. Here what we have done is we have first declared a variable called max, in which we have given a condition A greater than B. Then result is A, else B. So max stores the value of A or B respective if what is greater out of them. If A is greater than B, it will store A, else it will B. So there is a simple syntax. First we do a bracket in which we write the condition and we add a question mark, and after that we write if that condition is true we will return this, else we will return other things. So this is simple if and else statement, and it is very useful if we have a little bit of smaller if else, and it saves us a lot of typing and complications. So in max equals to A, then ternary max of A and B is D max. So if A is greater than B, max is A. If B is greater than A, it will result max is B. And now char result A divided by 2 equals 0, even, else odd. So if A divided by 2 equals to 0, then it will result even, else odd. So this is how the ternary operators work. Now I will run this program and you will understand it fully, and I want you all to practice this program on your own. And I will also provide this Git link in the description. So enter two integers. The first will be 2, second will be 4. Out of A and B, both A and B are positive. At least one of A or B is positive through OR condition, and A is not equal to B. And max of A and B is 4, and ternary A is even. So this is the result. Now we will give you other results like I will put minus integers here. -4, -2. At least one of A or B is not positive. Neither A nor B is positive. A is not equal to B. Max of A and B is -2. A is even. So now you will run one more time. -2 will be A. B will be 5. At least A or B, at least one of A or B is not positive. At least one of A or B is positive. A is not equal to B. Max of A and B is 5. A is even. So this is how it works. And thank you. These were the ternary operators and logical operators.